How y'all doing? Just want to give you an update. I installed the hood louvers on my 2020 Kia Forte GT. I bought them from Verus Engineering. If you're looking to do something similar, check their website out. They have a bunch of different shapes and sizes. I believe if you click the cooling tab on the left side of the screen, it'll display a bunch of different ones. I love them. I think they make it look sportier, more aggressive. And it took me about 5 hours to do. I had a little help from my son just holding things, but you could definitely do them by yourself. Just go slow. I used a Dremel tool. It's a little bit smaller in the hand, easier to handle. And the discs are smaller, so I think you can be more detailed in your cuts than you could if you used a grinder, which I've seen a lot of YouTube videos, people using a grinder. Verus Engineering has a bunch of YouTube videos. I referenced the one with the blue Subaru BRZ, I believe because we have the same vents, but that video helped me out the best. But if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. I'll do the best I can to help you. The ones I got were black powder coated. You can also get them in raw aluminum and save you a couple extra dollars. I think it's like $20 or $30 less than if you get them powder coated. I did not get the rain guards. You can buy rain guards. If you see here, you can see part of my air intake. I did not put these over the cone, so it shouldn't affect anything. I had a carbon fiber hood on my previous car, had big vents in it, and there was no rain guards, and I never had a problem with it. So just be careful where you put them. But I'll include some pictures at the end of the video too that just will show you the process or the stages that I went through. I can give you some good tips if you have any questions. But this is just what it looks like. I just want to share it with you so you can see if you're looking to do something similar. At least you know maybe what it'll look like. I think it looks great. The blow-off valve is a lot louder, a lot crisper now that it's coming straight up through the hood instead of from underneath the car. Definitely turned a couple of heads. And that's about all I can think of right now. I should be putting up another video in the next couple of weeks. I'm gonna try to tint the headlights, taillights, and the fog lights myself. I already bought the materials from Amazon, the Vivid tints. So that's about it. Hope you enjoy it. I appreciate all those who have subscribed and commented. All right, just gonna give you an example. I put the hood louvers in so you can see them. Just thought I'd give you just an example of the blow-off valve and the turbo and the air intake all together. Definitely louder. I was just driving and a bunch of people, even on the highway, were coming up to me saying, you know, it sounds great because it's just loud now. So figured I'd try to give you an example. We're gonna get some wind resistance. I got all the windows open. I gotta hold it with my driving hand because I have a stick shift, so I apologize if it's a little shaky, but it's the best I can do for you. So here we go.
Killing demons, I'ma go hard, yeah, we gotta seize the day. Hellfire raining down upon my people. If you're gonna bring the evil, we can bury it today.